There are differences between postmodernism and traditional system therapies that we are going to discuss now. In the postmodern approach, it helps the client create a different story about their life. The therapist does not know the truth. They go in there with an open mind and don't feel as if they know what is going on with the client themselves. Postmodernism approach looks at language as just a way for their story to be told. And the DSM is not used to diagnose the client. Their problem cannot be labeled. Traditional approach theories focus their concern on putting experiences into words. The DSM is used to diagnose the client as a way for the therapist to explain the symptoms and why the client is behaving in certain ways. The therapist is the expert during the sessions. The client's problems can be labeled and understood through diagnosing them with a mental illness.